Hello everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Postman on your system. After installing, I will show you a quick tour of the Postman user interface so you can get familiar with the tool. Let's begin. Open Chrome browser and search Postman download and then click on download Postman, get started for free. Click on this link and here you can view Windows 64-bit version. You need to click on this Windows 64-bit. Click on this. Download will begin shortly. Here you can view download started. Now scroll down here. Few links are available: privacy policy and release notes. Click on this release notes and scroll down. You can view the version V11 11.50.5 June 20. This is the date and bug fixes Postman version, and you can view the version here. Okay, I have already installed download this Postman, so I will show you the user interface of the Postman. Search here Postman. Now Postman is opening. After open the Postman, I will show you the user interface of the Postman. Now, here two options are available. Either you can sign in with Gmail account or you can create account. Okay. Now, in the left side, here file option are available. This is for new tab and new Postman window. You can open new Postman window, and this is the short keys Control N, which is used for new. If you want to open the new tab, so you need to use this shortcut key Control T, and you can close window, close tab, force close tab, and you can exit. In import, you can import curl here, and here two option available: sign in and create free account. If you want to create a collection, you need to sign in to Postman. You can create account or you can sign in with Gmail account. And here two option available: new. In new option HTTP WebSocket, these all options are available. If you want to import collection, so you need to click on this import and paste curl here. In the right hand side, here multiple HTTP methods are available: get, post, put, delete. This is the method, and here enter URL or paste text. In upcoming tutorial, I will show you how you can enter the text, how you can send the request. And here you can search Postman workspaces, collections, API teams. If you work with multiple teams, so you can invite here in Postman. If you are working with organization, so you need to click on this teams. And here setting available. In the setting, we can view settings. These are the settings of the Postman. You can change the theme here. Here are shortcuts available. This all options available also here in the left side. These are the short keys and add-ons. This is certificate proxy. You can add the proxy here and update. If any update are coming, so you can view update here. You can enable or disable here option automatically download major updates. If you enable, so Postman will automatically download the updates. You can click on this about. In the about section, Postman for Windows, this is the version and this is the architecture, and these are the few links available here in about section. Now in the search, you can search collections, API, teams. That's all for today's tutorial on download Postman and get started with its interface. Now you ready to create your first API request in upcoming videos. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to SQ World for more easy tutorials on API testing with Postman. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. See you in the next video.